Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we keep the same. This one we have negative e to the power of negative s, because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep this one same. Later that we do first the derivative of negative s, so we have negative number 1. That's why we have the negative sign here. So this one we change for u. This one we change for the u. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 2 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.